You might not know what a skeuomorph is, but I can guarantee that you see examples of it literally every day. Skeuomorphism might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi film, but it's actually just a design style where something takes on the look of the thing that it replaced. Okay, I know it sounds a bit complicated, but it's really not. When you're saving a document on Word, what do you click? You click that tiny icon of a floppy disk, even though that's totally not how it works anymore. Or how about when you want to take a picture or a video on your phone, you open the camera icon. Even the Gmail logo is made to look like a sealed envelope. Other examples are the battery icon on our phone and the torch symbol too. And experts believe that skeuomorphism actually dates back to ancient times. Greek temples that were made from stone were made to look like older temples built from wood, for example. So you might be thinking, what is the point? Well, basically it's expectancy. We know what these things are and we know what to expect when we click on them. Many of us have never used a phone with a cord, and that's the icon for calls on an iPhone. Eventually, nobody alive will have used one. So will skeuomorphism always work, or will it have to adapt? One thing is for sure though, now you know what it is, you won't be able to stop noticing it. So can you think of any examples? Let us know in the comments.